Hey everyone, welcome back to Tenorshare channel. In this guide, we'll show you how to convert a PDF to EPUB using Tenorshare PDNob in just a few clicks. EPUB is a popular ebook format designed for easy reading on digital devices like phones, tablets, and e-readers. Unlike PDFs, EPUB files automatically adjust text and images to fit your screen, making reading smoother and more comfortable on any device. With Tenorshare PDNob, you can effortlessly convert PDFs to EPUB and other formats without losing quality, making it the perfect tool for all your file conversion needs. In addition to converting PDFs to other file formats, Tenorshare PDNob is a versatile software that can be used for several other PDF-related tasks. It's a one-stop solution for editing and working with documents. Let's see how easy it is to convert a PDF to EPUB using Tenorshare PDNob. After downloading and installing the software, using the link in the video description below, launch it and you'll arrive at this interface. Click on Open PDF and use Windows Explorer to locate and open the PDF file you want to convert. As you can see, the software has many tools for working with any type of PDF document. Next, head over to the Convert tab, click on More, and select Convert to EPUB. This window will open up, showing the file details and output format. You can also choose to save the converted file in the same location as the source, or select a completely different directory. When you're done with the settings, click on Convert. A green check mark will indicate that the file has been successfully converted. I'm going to open the location where the EPUB file has been saved, and here it is. To get started with converting PDF files into different formats and to explore everything Tenorshare PDNob has to offer, use the links below to try it out for free. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more official tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing our software, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.